Hapo tukienda kutafuta chakula, watu wakasema hatukuwa tunajua hii barabara tunauliza na hii maji itatoka kwa kodi. Hii waheshimiwa bado wabia sisi. Sasa nikaambia sisi hatuna namna nyingine ni hiyo. So nyinyi kama mbunge wenu wanasema watu wasilipe kodi, asiulize barabara kwa sababu itatoka wapi. Wengine wenye kuchochea ni watu marafiki yangu ya magazeti. Hawa. Juzi Your Excellency wameandika headline kubwa screaming Ruto gets in trouble with Mount Kenya MPs, they are opposed to the finance bill. Gazeti limetumiwa usiku, nimeamuka, nimetafuta gazeti, nimesoma, nimekuta ni mjumbe mmoja peke yake anapinga. Na wameandika Mount Kenya MPs. So nyinyi watu ya magazeti pia nyinyi ni wachochezi. And we must call you out. Those editors who wrote that headline, how stupid do you think Kenyans are? You write a headline about Mount Kenya MPs, they're about 80. Then inside the whole narrative, you quote one. Because you are in bed with those people, because you are in the same group. We defeated all of you together, as Mio plus the press together. And we'll call you out continuously. Now you don't even have to write what I have said. Si nimesema tayari. Niseme nisiseme. These are the characters who are creating all this confusion. Because they were part of the Azimio brigade. Tuliangusha nyinyi pamoja na Azimio na Uhuru na Raila, tutaangusha nyinyi tena 2027 together. So we want to urge the people of Kenya. Nimeona senator hapa ametuandikia ati mkienda Narok leo msiongee mambo ya housing kwa sababu Wamasai hawahitaji nyumba, wanakaa nyumba za kuhamahama wakitafuta malisho.
Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Kisi Hot. Guys, do you remember the finance bill 2023-2024? Well, do you remember this finance bill? Members of parliament from Azimio la Umoja opposed this finance bill. Good. Now, do you remember what let me call him, the former deputy president and the current deputy president Rigathi Gachagua said? Good. Now, let me take you to some of their points here. Parliament and the members of parliament, they wanted to get Gachagua in a slight mistake and impeach him. Because of what? Gachagua, he used to attack some members of parliament, some before Ruto formed the broad-based government. Mostly the members from Azimio worked very hard to ensure Gachagua is going home. If really you listened to some members of parliament from Azimio, most of them argued in the parliament and the senate that Gachagua is supposed to be impeached. Why? 3 hours a day, Gachagua stood 1 year ago, stood in the public domain and said no more roads for areas whose members of parliament oppose finance bill 2023-2024. Do you get it? That is the genesis of the enmity between Rigathi Gachagua and some members of parliament. Because of what? You want to deny them. You want to deny them a chance, not even a chance, developments to their areas, because they have opposed the finance bill, which they said it was not good to the people of the Republic of Kenya. As a leader, as second in command, I think they wanted to get him in a slight mistake and remove him from office the way they did in this impeachment. And Gachagua is not going to survive anymore because of what? Those members of parliament from Azimio already, they said Gachagua is supposed to be impeached because they termed as he is tribal, because he used to speak of too much things to the mountain. Remember, here we have some members of parliament who come from Lake region, coast, from Rift Valley. Do you see? And now, I think 100%, not even 100%, let me say over 90% of members of parliament voted yes to impeach Gachagua. Those ones who did not wanted Gachagua to be impeached, they did not attend the sittings. Do you understand me? So Gachagua, even if court overturns the impeachment and says Gachagua is the deputy president, he's going to get tough and hard time as the deputy president, because already right now his staff have been sent home a compulsory leave. He might not be given staff budget. The only thing he can enjoy is the salary. Other things, allowances, he will not get anything if court overturns the impeachment from the Senate and the National Assembly.
Ya makofi itatoka wapi? Wakakimya. Sasa ile iko rais, hakuna shida na wananchi, ni viongozi wanadanganya wananchi. Sasa nikitoka hapo tukienda kutafuta chakula, watu wakasema hatukuwa tunajua hii barabara tunauliza na hii maji itatoka kwa kodi. Hii waheshimiwa bado wabia sisi. Sasa nikaambia sisi hatuna namna nyingine, ni hiyo. So nyinyi kama mbunge wenu wanasema watu wasilipe kodi, asiulize barabara kwa sababu itatoka wapi. Wengine wenye kuchochea ni watu marafiki yangu ya magazeti. Hawa. Juzi Your Excellency wameandika headline kubwa screaming, Ruto gets in trouble with Mount Kenya MPs, they are opposed to the finance bill. Gazeti nimetumiwa usiku, nimeamuka, nimetafuta gazeti, nimesoma, nimekuta ni mjumbe mmoja peke yake anapinga. Na wameandika Mount Kenya MPs. So nyinyi watu ya magazeti, pia nyinyi ni wachochezi. And we must call you out. Those editors who wrote that headline, how stupid do you think Kenyans are? You write a headline about Mount Kenya MPs, they are about 80. Then inside the whole narrative, you quote one. Because you are in bed with those people, because you are in the same group. We defeated all of you together, Azimio plus the press together. And we'll call you out continuously. Now you don't even have to write what I have said. Nimesema tayari. Niseme nisiseme. These are the characters who are creating all this confusion. Because they were part of the Azimio brigade. Tuliangusha nyinyi pamoja na Azimio na Uhuru na Raila, tutaangusha nyinyi tena 2027 together. So we want to urge the people of Kenya. Nimeona senator hapa ametuandikia ati mkienda Narok leo msiongee mambo ya housing.